Hello friends, welcome to Pharma Industry Academia Connect. Here we bring you a totally new series where we will be bringing the free certification courses from the prestigious institutions across the globe which a student can do totally free of cost. And I'm sure that will add to your skill set and that will definitely add up to your resume. So in this video, I will be sharing with you a free patent certification course which is offered by World Intellectual Property Organization, which we commonly know as WIPO. So the first question that we should ask is why I should do this course. Right, friends, a pharmaceutical industry, they invest a lot of money, lot of resources into their research and development. They research about the new molecules or probably the modification of the existing therapies for the betterment of the society. Okay, so when they invest lot of money, lot of resources, they don't want their intellectual property to be stolen by the competitors. So they want to protect their invention, they want to protect their innovation, they want to protect their intellectual property. And therefore, this course becomes a valid course in the current competitive scenario. Now, as a pharmacy graduate, we do study a lot of pharmacology. We have a sound background of the diseases. We understand the therapies for those diseases, and we understand the existing formulations. And we also know that what will happen if we modify a formulation, for example, from a controlled release to the sustained release to the controlled release, or probably to enteric coated formulation, or maybe a gastric floating formulation, right? So with the sound background of diseases, therapy and formulation, if we integrate the basic understanding of the patents, we become an asset to the organization, right? And friends, here we can play a very important role in the industry, in their legal cells, by being the patent officer or maybe as a IP attorney or maybe patent docket officer, etc., etc., right? So this course is very useful and very beneficial course for pharmacy graduates. This is something unconventional where a student can make lucrative careers. So as I said, in this video we will learn about the free certification course on the patents which is offered by World Intellectual Property Organization. So are you ready? Let's go. So the first step is we have to visit the e-learning center of the WIPO by typing welc.wipo.int. For the convenience of the viewers, I have given this link in the description section of the video. You can go and copy the link from there. So friends, once you visit this website, once you visit this link, this will take you to the page here, which is the WIPO e-learning center. This will take you to the landing page of WIPO e-learning center. Okay. Now in the WIPO e-learning center, you can see there are three icons. One is the training catalog, then is the registration, and then it is my online courses. So we have to visit the training catalog part. Okay. So click on this part, training catalog part. Once you click on the training catalog part, it will take you to education and training programs portfolio. There are many programs which are offered by WIPO. Because WIPO is a global platform, it gives training to the industry people, okay, and it gives many people. They have many courses which are tutored one-on-one, right? So for us as a student, the important thing to the relevant is the distance learning program, the first one. Can you see the distance learning program? So in the distance learning program, we have to go to the course catalog once. So you have to click the icon course catalog here. Once you click the icon course catalog, it will land up to this page where you will see that two types of courses are offered. One is the general courses, another is the advanced courses. So under the advanced courses, whatever courses are offered, they are not free. WIPO charges fees for that courses. They are the advanced level courses. Okay. For us as a student, when we are aiming the free certification courses that I can earn as a student, we have to visit the general course part, which you can see there are 5 parts, 5 courses in the general, 5 you can say courses under general courses. One is the IP panorama, another is the primer on intellectual property, then we have the introduction to patent cooperation treaty, then it is the general course on intellectual property, and then there is a e-tutorial, right? So these are the 5 courses which are under the general course. In these 5 courses, the first 2, okay, the objective of the first 2 is to build the basics of of whoever is taking this course. So in the first 2, that is IP panorama and primer on intellectual property, you won't be getting the certificate, right? There the objective is to develop your basics. The rest 3, the distance learning course, the general course on intellectual property, and the e-tutorial, you will be getting the certificate on completion of the course. So let's visit them one by one. So this is the course number 1 under general courses, that is IP panorama. You can see you will learn a lot of things under their curriculum, right, regarding the patents. And here you can see there is no certificate, but the course is free of charge. So friends, go through this section carefully, I mean in the thorough, because one student should not stop learning कि certificate is not there, because we are not doing this just to get the certificate. Our objective is to sharpen our skill and then to earn the certificate, right? So we will do this course to sharpen our basics, to develop our basics actually in the patents. Then moving to the next one, that is the primer on intellectual property. You have to click the icon access the course. If you click the icon access the course, you will land up to this page where they will give you a lot of information about the issues like the trademarks, etc, etc. Okay, again you can see there is no certificate and this course is offered free of cost, right? So again, my advice to all of you is to go to this course in detail without worrying whether certificate is available or not available. We have to develop our basics and foundations first. Then we go to the third course, that is the distance learning course on the patent cooperation treaty. You can enter this course by clicking the icon access the course. Once you enter there, you will land up to this page, which will tell you the details about the patent cooperation treaty. Now this is very important because nowadays all markets are getting global. So a country wants the company wants to protect its innovation not only in one country but in many countries together, and there the patent cooperation treaty becomes very important. Okay, so here you will understand what is patent cooperation treaty, okay, how to file a PCT application. So you can see now under the basic information that there is a certificate and this course is also free of charge, right? So this is the first certification course under the WIPO that a student or anybody can do free of cost. Moving to the next one is the general course on intellectual property. You can enter this course by access the course icon, click here. Now you can see you will enter into all these sections like trademarks, patents, WIPO treaties, etc. in depth here, okay? And this course also has a certificate and this course is again free of charge. Then coming to the last one, the fifth one, again you can enter the course by clicking the icon access the course, and you can see the certificate is available and this course is also free of charge. So friends, you can earn 3 certification courses through WIPO free of cost, but you need to register first. So you must have noticed that in front of each course there is an icon which is called as a register now. So before starting any course, you have to click on the icon register now. Once you click on the icon register now, okay, this is a one-time process. Once you make a profile on the WIPO, you need not to create your account again and again for the next courses. So because probably you may be new to WIPO, So you have to click on create the WIPO account. Once you click here, create a WIPO account, it will take and it will ask you the basic information. Fill the basic information, submit the basic information, and then they will send a confirmation mail to your mail ID. Okay, so you just go to your mail ID, confirm the link, click the link and confirm your mail ID, and then you are ready to go for the course. Take your course seriously, study in detail. You will definitely learn a lot of new things, and above all you will get a very nice certificate, a valuable certificate which will definitely add up to your resume. So my best wishes to all of you. Friends, don't forget to subscribe, share and like this video, and click the bell icon so that you can get further notification from us whenever we come up with our next video in the series. So my best wishes to all of you. Goodbye. See you in the next video.